Hello and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to create a Facebook page for your business. Log into your personal Facebook page. Click on Create in the top menu. Click on Page. Now select Business or Brand. Click Get Started. Here you must choose a page name and a category for your business. Once you have typed in your page name and category, click on Continue. Let it load. You can skip these steps if you aren't ready to add pictures. If you already have a picture that you can use for the profile, click Upload a profile picture. Upload a picture from your computer. Now upload a cover photo. Let it load. Here, Facebook is prompting you to invite your friends. By having some people already like your page, it will attract new visitors and help you build your audience. Let's add a cover. Choose from photos, choose from videos, upload photo or video, or create slideshow. Here, you can choose either. I'm going to choose a slideshow. You can also drag to reposition the photo. And save. Now, we still have many things to do. We can create a page username. Otherwise, your page will be something along the lines of facebook.com/ and plenty of numbers and letters. So by clicking here on the left on Create Page, you can have a tailored username. Make sure that username is available. Once you have found a username that is available, click on Create Username. Click on OK. Now what I recommend you do is add a button. This is very important. This is the call to action people will see systematically when they enter your Facebook page. Click on Add a Button. And here, depending on what is most relevant, you can choose between Make a Booking, Contact You, Learn More, Shop, or download your app or play your game. I'm going to choose Contact You. Here I'm going to choose Contact Us, Send Message, Call Now, Sign Up, or Send Email. Let's click on Send Email. Next. Here it's asking me where I would like this button to send people to an email address. Here, type in the email address of your choice. Save. Click on Finish. So your new page is looking better already. What we need to do now is add a short description of our business. Click here and describe your business. The limit is 255 characters. Keep it concise. Save. If you're not happy with your current description, just keep it concise and come back to this later on. Click on Edit Page Info. And add here phone number, website, email address, street address, opening hours, etc. Here, take your time and complete these different sections. If this is too long, you can also do it step by step here. Contact, location, hours and more are also available here separately. I'll let you complete that. Another thing that is very important is what you choose for people to see here on the left-hand side below the company name. Do you want all these different buttons to be available? If, for example, let's say I wanted to remove reviews, let's say just for the purpose of this video, you would click on Settings up here, then on Templates and Tabs, and here you can remove or add to those tabs on the left-hand side. So let's say I'm not ready for reviews yet because I've just started my business. I can click here to make them unavailable. Save. And now if I go back to my page, if I click here, you see now the review option isn't available. Let's say I want other features. I click on Templates and Tabs. And here I can click on Add a tab. And here I can choose between events, live videos, notes, reviews, services and shop. So here you just simply click on that tab and activate it. So in the settings, another section which is important is the page roles. Here, if you want to assign a new page role, you have to make sure that that person has already liked the page. Make them like the page, and then you can assign a new role to them. You would type in their name and assign an editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst role. Or if you're comfortable with them being an admin like yourself, then you can also assign the admin role to them. I always recommend that you have 2 admins, someone that you trust, in case you can no longer access your Facebook profile. Here under settings in general, there are many options here that I'd like you to go through. So here, for example, visitors posts. Let's click on edit. Here you can allow visitors to the page to publish posts. Do you want to allow photo and video posts, or do you want to review the posts before they are published? Let's check review posts by others. So you're allowing them to post, but you are going to review them. You're going to approve them before they are published. This is a good way of monitoring the content of your Facebook page. Click Save. Okay, now under messaging, so settings, then messaging, scroll down, click on Show a Messenger Greeting. And here you can have a personalized message. Hi, with the name of the person. Thanks for getting in touch with us on Messenger. Please send us any questions you may have. Here I would personalize it and save. So if you already have an Instagram account, here in settings, scrolling down, you can actually connect your Instagram account. So you would click here and type in your Instagram credentials and log in. So by doing so, by connecting the Instagram account to the Facebook page, you're actually allowing whoever is managing the Instagram account to also manage your Facebook page, and vice versa. Now let's go back to the page. So here you can see the instant replies off. Let's make sure that this is on. So click here. Click on Edit. And here you can add the timing and the text. Thanks for your message. We're away and can't respond at this time. We appreciate you getting in touch. If you want to add a personalization, you can type straight in this text box. And save. Now let's go back to the page. We're almost done. Okay, so we don't have any friends, so any followers in this case. So now we need to start spreading the word. So we need to start creating content. We need to invite people to the page, so you can already invite friends. You can also do a mail shot to your database and invite people to like your business page. But before that, make sure that you've got some interesting content and also some content scheduled. So in order to spread the word, so you would just click on the name of the company here below the photo, and here you'd get the clean URL for that Facebook page. So when you're on the page, click on the name and then select this link. This here is the link that you can then share with your friends, with your database of customers, so through an email. You can also share it on LinkedIn and any other social media platforms your company is already present on. Now let's move on to the next video where I will show you how to create a variety of posts and schedule posts. Thanks for watching. If you encounter any difficulties, any technical issues, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.